in a great supermarket. You get me? So we're gonna do this food. Our lovely chefs have given us some patties to start with. So first here we've got chicken, got beef, lamb, and callaloo.
Mad
thing. So first we're gonna
let's get in. Let's get
come. So first what should we try first? What should we try?
Mad.
So you're gonna try the beef?
That's the beef one.
Alright, try the beef. Grab the beef. Grab the beef one, man. Yeah. Go on your ramping fam. Grab that one, man.
You have to get us on camera, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's beef.
What's the texture like?
It's a bit warmer, but it's nice. It's fresh. It's a fresh baked patty. That's what I like.
What's the filling?
It's minced beef, like a minced beef. It tastes nice. The flavour is good. I think it could be a bit more spicy.
Yeah,
that one.
I can taste the spice too.
Yeah, I think I like
Just a little hint, but
obviously I like the flakiness.
I like the pastry. The pastry is really nice. It's fresh, isn't it? Chase down and get some tropical rhythms. You get me, Grace? Nah, cool.
Yeah, that was nice.
What one should we do next? Can we do the callaloo one? Callaloo time. This is banging.
Callaloo.
Slow it down.
Well down.
Oh, let me try one.
Callaloo one. The flavour and the spice. I can taste the spice. Callaloo one, banging fam.
Let me try a callaloo, man.
Yeah, try the callaloo one, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
And again, the texture is lovely.
Callaloo patty.
Really nice.
Yeah, I'm feeling this one.
Banging, innit? I think that one, so far the callaloo one's my favourite one. Really nice, the flavour, everything inside. Sorry big man, sorry uncle.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Cheese. I'm just getting the drinks on standby because we got a new drink that we're promoting from Jamaica, and obviously
Rum vibes.
it's called the rum vibe.
And you know that we just met the person, yeah?
Just met the guy, yeah?
The guy just came and dropped it off, yeah?
Yeah.
To the shop. We're just doing reviews right now. And imagine we're just getting the first opportunity
to taste
the rum vibe.
Yeah, so you know who done it first, innit? You know what I mean? So we out here, Ringo Vision Production.
Look, 4%. 4%.
Down. You wanna get down camera as well?
Don't get down camera.
Hey, friend, I was feeling the patties, you know.
Hey, rude boy, I can't lie. My favourite one, my favourite patty, I'd say the chicken one still, because I'm a meat guy. But if I can't lie, if I was a vegan, it would be the callaloo thing. If I was
the callaloo for me, yeah, the callaloo patty was dope.
Banging, fam.
Banging.
Bruv.
Cause remember, yeah, when you go shop to buy patty, yeah, what kind of patty does man normally get?
Man just get chicken or beef, innit?
And when you get veg, yeah, it's like some peas and some next thing. This is callaloo patty, fam.
It's dead, fam. You get me?
Nah.
So yeah, my favourite one definitely.
Nah, the jerk chicken looking banging.
I know, innit? I know. Sorry, man.
People, listen.
Lie,
if you guys look, I ain't even tasted it, but come down here fast. Yeah, the sun's out. The place is open up. Come and try out the jerk chicken, innit? It looks banging, and it must taste. We're gonna make you know, innit?
I'll take a picture of this. Yeah, bro. Turn up 1,000.
Nah, this is nice. This is dope.
You got praise.
So here we've got dumpling, gungo peas.
Come on.
We got veg, we got ackee saltfish, we got coleslaw, we got some steamed cabbage, we've got callaloo, like we also have some oxtail, and we also have some curry goat as well. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. People. I told you guys already, yeah, we don't even need to go no further, but because we're doing a full review, yeah, we have to go. But here what it is, come down, come check out the food. The food is banging. The presentation is nice, the taste is nice, the people are nice.
Yeah, real.
Like, you just need to come down and try the food.
I need to take a picture.
And yeah, you might say, yeah, you've got your own Caribbean food shop that you go to and shop, but I would recommend this one still. Even if you got a Caribbean shop that is the one that you always go and buy your food, come and try this one, because this one, they've got a flavour, they've got a thing going on, and you can't hide from good food. And your belly knows where the good food is when that food goes into your stomach, yeah, your belly knows where to go back to. It knows where to send you back to. And this is gonna be one of the places where Ringo Vision, Fend, Pavi, Turn Up 1000. Yeah, we're gonna find ourselves back here again still. Definitely.
Now, we're gonna review food, you get me? So we had some jerk and that. So what we got here now? We got some rice,
Guinness punch.
We got some dumpling, you get me? Some coleslaw, some ackee, cabbage, that steamed cabbage with some carrot and ting, and nice salad.
We also got curry goat here.
Bit of oxtail here.
Let me put
Pull out the rice like that.
Now I'm gonna leave my rice in here.
Oh
yeah.
Got onion.
30,000.
There's juice from ox. Some ox juice.
So I'm gonna have,
oh shit.
Now don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, Pav. Or Ringo.
No, I'm good.
You gonna try that? Look, you don't eat yourself. No,
I do, but
oh, man, let's try everything.
let's start up here.
This is the curry goat here. And a bit of the curry juice as well.
You just pray already and everything bless up. Nice.
God is good
I'm
and
praying in my head.
God is good and God is great.
In my head. Okay. God's always good and great, and man always give thanks.
How do you feel?
So this is the oxtail.
The rice is really nice. I like the texture of the rice.
The oxtail tastes, the flavour's nice. I can taste pimento as well in the sauce.
And it ain't no sticky rice either, you know. The rice is not sticky. Let me try the cabbage.
Rice is nice, bro. And the peas they got in the rice is a gungo, isn't it?
Gungo peas, yeah.
Rice with the gungo peas tastes really nice.
I like the texture of the cabbage, you know. The rice. Cabbage has got crunchiness.
I love oxtail.
Oxtail is nice.
Yeah, I love oxtail. Alright, cool. Taste the cabbage.
What do you think of the cabbage? It's got a crunchiness in it.
Wow.
Two different type of texture in it. A little bit of spice running through it as well.
Cabbage is really nice with the carrots and look, got one on there, look. Banging some sweet peppers. Yeah, the cabbage is really nice. I'll taste the ackee. I'm not even using a knife, but I can't bother.
With the carrots.
I'm gonna try
With the carrots, there's the carrots in there as well in the cabbage. And the bino as well. And it's tasty as well.
don't know if you can see here.
Ackee is nice.
This is the coleslaw.
With the saltfish. The ackee and saltfish is really nice. Loads of flavour. I'm gonna taste it with the dumpling.
I like the coleslaw still, you know. The coleslaw is quite creamy.
Dumpling is fresh as well. Dumpling is not that.
Let me try it.
Dumpling's really nice. It's not like been preheated or nothing. It's fresh. Literally, like, there's nothing here I can even complain about. I'm even gonna lie.
There's a lot of flavours going on.
A lot of flavours.
On the coleslaw, you're saying it's very creamy.
Let me taste it.
Creamy, innit?
It's creamy, nice and creamy.
Mad. I like the rice, bro. I'm not
Also, banging.
I'm not even a rice fan. Like I more prefer hard food and stuff like that. But the rice is shelly and grainy. I like the graininess in the rice. Yeah, it's grainy. It's
Yeah.
like look,
I love rice, man.
like when the rice falls, yeah, it's falling in grains. It's falling like if it was just washed.
I know what you mean. It's not too soggy. It's not too dry.
Yeah,
It's just perfect.
and it's not stuck together.
Yeah, it's just loose. Yeah.
Grainy, fam.
I can't lie, the coleslaw is banging.
Coleslaw's creamy, innit?
Ooh. It's got some different flavour to it. Yeah.
It's creamy, it's creamy.
Like this coleslaw, you could make coleslaw sandwich for vegan.
Yeah, 1,000,000%.
Coleslaw and avocado.
Ooh, that'll be banging.
Like this coleslaw could mix with avocado and be making some sandwich.
Most
Or
definitely.
even just the way the dumpling is, having the coleslaw with the dumpling sliced like this, like bread. Because this
Yeah.
dumpling coming like it's bread. The way it's sliced up, I like.
Is there spoon in this? I want to taste some of this thing here. What is
You
this?
can grab it, you can grab it.
What's that, chicken?
No,
Nah,
sure.
I'm feeling that ackee and saltfish though.
Yeah?
Can you taste the pimento in it?
Yeah, I told you. I told you about the pimento. I told you.
Taste the pimento in it. Have you?
No, my G.
Yeah, I told you about the pimento and the ackee and saltfish. I did say that, innit?
So,
Flavour.
is this and this the same?
Yeah, I'm not a big
Oh, do you know
dumpling.
what? Look, that
I'm
looks
not a big dumpling fan as well, but I'm gonna.
Sorry, love.
I think this is
Excuse me.
chicken.
We just want to double check so that we know.
I think this is chicken.
What's the
It's
first
chicken.
one here? Oh, this
Chicken.
is-
It's chicken, man. It's curry
Nice.
chicken. It's curry chicken, ain't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Curry chicken. Oxtail.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Come on, Pav. You should know.
Show, man. You know, looks are deceiving nowadays.
Nah, go on. I'm gonna get you lot's opinion because I'm gonna taste a little bit.
Need the chicken.
Trying to buff me up. I leave a one piece in there for me, Pete.
Yeah. Of course.
Guinness punch. Yeah, nice.
Dumpling also it's like sweet. Got like a sweet taste as well. No, usually dumpling is salty.
Yeah.
It's got a nice blend. So obviously you know like festivals proper sweet food here, but this is like it's a nice blend. Look at the colour.
Now the ackee and saltfish bangs.
Cold at night time though, we have
Colour is nice. Colour is really nice.
So let's take it in a bit more detail. I think I'll shout around
Wow.
this evening.
Alright, let's be real right now. What are we leveling up the place at?
But overnight, some players
What are we leveling up the place at?
chilly. Obviously,
Food.
Out of 10.
Yeah, the temperatures are supposed to fall around.
We're giving them a 10.
And then tomorrow we do it all again.
Presentation,
Plenty of sunshine in the
hospitality.
Yeah.
south of London in particular.
The taste, the flavour,
Clouds heading our way once again. No
even the
people-
decoration in the place.
Shower here and there.
Yeah.
Light
Clean, fresh.
Pretty similar
chef.
to today, so we're looking at highs of 10
Yeah, I'm giving it a 10 still. I can't lie, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Everything.
Be a tiny bit cooler. There's gonna be odd shower out there, but actually
Look, one thing I'm thankful.
weather is staying pretty
Can I say what?
sunny spells of time.
No.
Yeah, if we say 10 out of 10,
Yeah.
that means you must come back.
10 out of 10, bro.
So if we give you like a 9 out of 10, you can see us all next year, you know.
Yeah.
Because the food was alright still. You see 10 out of 10? Yeah man, you see our suey knife in the next week
That's right.
or the next day. Yeah,
And also-
food nice.
We're gonna be spreading the word that, you know, like, wow, go to that shop. I'm not gonna lie. Brixton is nice. This is actually better. Yeah, bro. It's very good.
Meat soft.
Also nice, bruv. It's just sweet.
She's the quiz world. Perfect news, but there's today. Let's find out on Tipping Point.
Wow.
So, Pablo, what's the color look like?
It's proper quiet, boy.
Quiet.
I'm just about to taste it, and you know, obviously we all playing our parts, and my part is to empty the plates before a G time for people to believe what we say. It's so true.
Yeah.
I'm in a mission right now.
How do you enjoy this so far?
And I'm getting that. The weight loss from
Marvellous.
Good luck to you all.
That is in French. Splendid.
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 Get me.
Bon appetit, man.
Merci, man. Merci vraiment.
Massive by what? Say that?
Merci vraiment.
Massive Fakhima.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Thank you so much. Same to you.
Yeah, Guinness punch is nice.
Like you're making it feel like the feeling is mutual because of that acknowledgement.
The feeling
Guinness
is
punch is nice, boy. It tastes a lot of Guinness. I don't even make mine that strong. Really nice. Alright, chicken time.
Keep an eye on those double counters. Here comes the first one.
Wow.
The name of which district of Los Angeles follows
Do you speak on this?
chef and
Yeah, the oxtail, yeah.
oxtail.
Help yourself get more, man.
I didn't get mine. I'm about to taste it now.
The Guinness punch here, look, nice. I like the Guinness punch, creamy. You can taste that Guinness in there.
Oh.
You can taste the allspice essence in there.
Let me just tell you one thing. People that know me knows I'm a loud person, knows I'm always making up noise. For me, hear me quiet, that means I'm enjoying my food. I'm content.
Right.
Wow. Really nice.
across the tipping point, but the first count leads the machine. Very rarely happens that. £400. They take it to the bank. Which will lead to counters still to play as well. So really good start. Okay, next question. According to the common phrase, it takes two to the ball. Which Latin American Dave?
Tango.
American dance, yes, two to tango. Would you like to play with that? I'd like to play, please. Okay,
I mean, knows the
Give me the oxtail.
Oxtail bangs, yeah?
Yeah, the pimento, it tastes the pimento. Banging.
Nah, the food is loud. The food is loud. You know what man needs after a meal like this, innit?
Big fat split.
You know what man needs after a meal like this, car. This is
Just to
like
meditate that more money.
this meal here is one of them ones that make me feel like you have,
wine.
you have to chill out for a little while and then just appreciate it.
Yeah, and give thanks.
You know, like man's always cooking here, like so like now like I can just sit down and just like
Appreciate good food as well, innit?
appreciate good fresh food. Fresh food.
Fresh. You have to make sure you put the word fresh before saying the food name.
Come down there, you know, it's not overnight food, you know. It's now food. Yeah, we have to wait.
Yeah. You probably cooked it last square. Right now. You need to keep this guy on camera all the time, man. He's too funny. Ham's a character, he's got that
Yeah.
unique.
Obviously, I was telling the brothers here because obviously you don't know why they're laughing, but I was saying here, because obviously we need to test the dessert. And obviously, man, them they're a bit kind of feeling full up, so I told them, no.
Don't worry.
It's gonna come and don't worry, man. You see that movie there, that actor there, Eddie Murphy, Night Professor? That guy that turns slim, Body Love, yeah, I'm that guy, that's me. So it's no issue with that, though, you know what I
You
mean?
see now with the cake you get patterned up. Same way, innit?
Same way.
Hey, clean this plate. Plate clean.
I'm playing persona, man. I'm not
Ringo
really
didn't
sure,
eat
man.
dumpling.
How do you still keep counts every time being you're out? Well, we've got one.
Clean up, man. Call me the clean up, man.
£400. Then you've got two counters and you've got 300. Next question, book 3. In the TV series, The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, what colour is Sabrina?
I was gonna say that.
Are you going to play your last count as well?
Look, Pavi has cleaned up. The food is banging still, I'm not gonna lie. The food bangs. The food actually bangs.
Ready for cake. Ready for cake. They've got the rum. A clean man as well, still. Just a few little bits.
Like I said, yeah, I'm not a dumpling
But the
person.
jerk chicken, remember man had jerk chicken, man had patty, like you get me, so
Nah,
Yeah.
nah. The shop's going on the way.
I can get this punch.
Nah, I'm coming. The shop's going on the way.
Bro, this is my new, when I come down there now, I'm not going to no other shop in Croydon, bro. This is the shop, so that's it. That's it.
Just ahead of David.
Come to spend my money.
If you didn't know, now you know.
Yo, yo. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is our first food review, guys.
Yeah,
look,
first.
look, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, look, it's not even a joke thing. Like, this Caribbean food shop, it bangs. What's the name of the food shop?
Reggae Kitchen. See, I remember Reggae Kitchen.
Nah, it's up there, but I wanted to say it. Reggae Kitchen, you see it? Yeah, Reggae Kitchen. Now, Reggae Kitchen bangs too.
Big man think your mum was talking about, I didn't even know you was here on site like that, but yo, I don't know what you're doing, but yo, bad.
It's our chef there.
In a good way, not in a bad way. That's the chef. Sorry to put you on camera, no, but yo, fam, no man, pick him up seriously. You have done a brilliant job. This is what